Hello YouTube. Here is a overview of a Duracraft 5 Machinist Bench Vise. The dimensions on this are about 5.5 inches, 9 inches by about 16 inches. This thing opens up to have a usable opening of, let's see what we have here, about 4.5 inches, and this dimension here reads 3.5. I believe this thing was probably made somewhere in Asia in the 1980s. It might be made in Taiwan, Hong Kong, Japan, China. I don't really know for certain. I don't believe it was made in USA. But it is fairly heavy duty for what it is. And if anyone has any idea about narrowing down the time range, the date range as far as when this thing was made and where they were made, please leave that information in the comments. Thank you.